Ever sat in class or a meeting, scribbling notes like crazy, only to look back later and think, what did I even write? You're not alone, and today I'm about to change the way you take notes forever. In school, at work, or even during a Zoom meeting, great notes are your secret weapon. They're not just scribbles on a page. They're a tool to lock in information, sharpen your focus, and boost your productivity. But most people never learn how to do it effectively. That's why today I'm sharing my top 5 note-taking hacks that'll help you study smarter, work faster, and remember more, starting today. Hack 1. The 2-column method. What it is, split your page or digital screen into 2 sections. Notes on the left, quick cues or questions on the right. Why it works. This structure forces your brain to organize info as you hear it. Think of it like making your own Cliff's Notes in real time. Real-life example. College students across the U.S. swear by this technique. You'll see it in lecture halls from Boston to Berkeley. Hack 2. Color coding. What it is. Assign different colors for topics, action items, or priorities. Why it works. Your brain loves color. It creates mental tags so you can recall info faster. Real-life example. In a fast-paced marketing meeting, blue highlights could mark deadlines while green notes flag opportunities. No more hunting for details later. Hack 3. Summarize in your own words. What it is, after every section or meeting, pause for 30 seconds and rewrite the key point in plain English. Why it works. You're not just copying, you're processing. This turns short-term memory into long-term recall. Real-life example. Picture an intern at a New York startup. By summarizing in their own words after each call, accost their boss by recalling everything clearly. Hack 4. Digital plus analog combo. What it is. Use a hybrid approach. Jot fast on paper for flow. Then transfer your best insights to an app like Notion, Evernote, or OneNote later. Why it works. You capture speed and flexibility on paper, but you gain searchability. Real-life example. Many U.S. entrepreneurs brainstorm in a notebook, then build a clean project plan online before a pitch meeting. Hack 5. The next action rule. What it is. At the bottom of each page or note section, write one clear action step based on what you just learned. Why it works. This turns passive notes into active momentum. You'll stop rereading and start doing. Real-life example. A high school athlete notes, ask coach about diet plan after a lecture. Boom. Instant progress. Imagine this. You walk into your next class, team huddle, or training session. Instead of scribbling and hoping, you know exactly how to capture what matters. Later, you're calm, confident, and prepared, whether for finals, presentations, or big opportunities. These hacks don't just organize your notes. If these hacks helped you out, Smash that like button. Share this with a friend who needs to level up their note-taking game. And subscribe for weekly motivation and practical tips. Notes aren't just ink or pixels. They're the blueprint of your growth. Master these 5 hacks, and you're not just taking notes. You're building your next big win.